This is Maddie, and we're going to be doing a few tricks. Maddie! Okay, she's focused on treats right now.
This is the high five. High five. Good girl. Lay down. Lay down. Right here. Good, lay down. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, Missy. Bang, bang. You're alive. Good girl.
That's my favorite trick out of all.
Sit. Sit. And this is the rollover, the classic. Rollover. Good rollover.
Maybe this is the best gymnast in the world right here.
Sit.
I'm trying to do something right now.
This is the hardest trick for her. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Good girl. And those are all Maddie's tricks.
Okay, what about the jumping one?
Oh yeah. Maddie, no. Good girl.
She has to jump as high as she can to try to get it.
Good girl.
It's really high. And what's your name?
Sierra.
And that's Maddie. And I'm Avery. And please like, subscribe, and comment how you like this. Thank you.